Hey, it's Design Guy here. Ready to see how easy it is to add your own videos to Canva projects? First, click Create, then select Presentation. Next, click Upload Video to add your video file to the presentation for easy sharing and viewing within your slides. In Canva, go to the Uploads panel, click Upload Media, then choose Videos. Browse your files and select the video you want to add to your design. It will appear ready to use. Upload your video to Canva, or if no video appears, ensure you have selected the correct file to display it properly in your project. Click Upload Files, then browse to select the video you want to add to your project. In Canva, click Upload and select your file. Once it's chosen, click Open to add it to your designs. This prepares your file for editing and further customization. Wait for the upload to complete. Once finished, you can access your file anytime. Ensure your internet connection remains stable during this process to avoid interruptions. After uploading, you may share the link or organize the file within your folders. This simple step keeps your documents secure and accessible across devices. After uploading, drag and drop your file into the designated area. This example shows a GIF, while the other is a video. Ensure you place each file in the correct section to proceed with your project. Try adding this option as well to enhance your setup. Click the Add button, select the desired item, and confirm to include it in your project configuration. Pause briefly to let the process complete before moving to the next step. This ensures all actions are fully synchronized and prevents errors or interruptions in the workflow. Patience here improves overall efficiency and results in a smoother operation. Once the loading is complete, add the video to your design. To play it, click the Play button. When ready to export, click Share, then Download. From the Format options, select MP4 to save your video. This ensures your design includes the video in a widely compatible format. Use these simple steps to include and export your video quickly and efficiently. You can also download the video as a GIF file. Click the Download button, then select the GIF format from the options. Your GIF will save instantly. Now you know how to upload videos to Canva, hit like, and subscribe for more quick tips.